Hello friends, welcome to another video of Chart Mojo. Finally, today we have seen Nifty touching 20k level. Okay, almost 20k level. 9 points were remaining from the top. And for next trading session, we need to wait for some points. Okay, we will give a leeway of 25 to 30 points. So in the next trading session, wait for 20,025 level. I'm star marking this. If we see a break above from this level, then one can attempt till 20,100, okay, 20,100 and 2150. For these two level, one can try to play for on the higher side. On the lower side, today's candle low is quite important. Our range will shift from 19,700 to 50 points up, that is 19,750. Okay, if I see market going below 19,750, then one can attempt for some sell side trade. But above 19,750, please don't try to take a short side attempt. Now, yesterday we were discussing 19,900 level in our yesterday's video, and the reason we were waiting for 19,900 because there was a Reliance listing in the morning. Okay, and there can be uncertainty. That's why in yesterday video we were waiting for some large level. Okay, 19,900, and there was also some choppiness. I have shown you hourly chart yesterday, so that worked in today's market. Let us go and see Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, we were expecting some broader range. Okay, 46k on the higher side. If that was taken out, we were thinking of 46,300. Today we reached till 46,250. Okay, little bit less than that. And for next trading session, I would like to play for the higher side. And now 46,250, one should wait. If 46,250 is taken out, 46,500. Okay, first, and 46,750, this is the second level which one can aim for. On the lower side, wait for again today's candle low. Okay, and one can wait for, if someone wants to be very sure, then one can wait for 45,500 if someone wants to take a view for downside trades. So guys, Dow finally have given a breakout, and we were discussing in a previous video, whenever we see 35,000 level, okay, being crossed by Dow, then definitely Nifty should at least try to attempt to make a new high. And right now there is some follow-up buying as well on the Dow chart. Now what next for Dow? We can see there are some overhead resistance here. The next resistance Dow will face near at 35,600 to 3,600. Okay, 36,000, sorry. So this is the region next for Dow. If we see these level are also getting cleared out without retracement, that will show us some good strength in the market. So we are taking positive cues from here. If we see Brent on the other hand is still in the sideways, and we will consider it as a neutral signal. Yesterday we were discussing 4 counters. Okay, 3 did very well. ITC was one of our counter that we were discussing. Okay, this was in good nice uptrend, and bullish pennant was formed here. And we can see today there is a good breakout. 490 was the level I discussed for someone interested in intraday, and 500 was also the level. Now this chart study went right. Okay, and let us go to our next counter. Okay, this was Cummins. Okay, 1960 was the level we need to wait for. Here there was no trigger on the chart, so we avoided this. Okay, we avoided this. Let us go and see our other counter which we were studying yesterday. One of was the Voltam. Now very nice counter, and here you can see bullish Marubozu. Okay, I was discussing yesterday. Now guys, I am marking this counter because I also post this counter on my Twitter handle, so you can follow there as well. And here we can see a good follow-up buying after this strong bullish Marubozu candle. Now this candle is also a bullish Marubozu candle, which means again the counter have some potential to again go up. And if we see this high is taken out, the counter should again follow an upside movement. Good breakout here, so this chart study also went right. Okay, and let us move to next counter, which was Kazaria, and here we can see again a very good breakout counter and our ascending wedge breakout. Okay, the ascending wedge breakout level, if someone would plot this distance till here, it has done its job. Okay, and someone thinking to hold even further, one can do so. This is a strong market right now which we are in, so if counter gives good breakout, so they can be trailed. Now yesterday 1500 was one of the level we were discussing. Definitely we saw intraday good movement here. So overall market was in in good strength mode, there was good strength on the upside, and we saw that 4 out of 3 counter did very well. So this chart study also went right. Now, next set of counter. Here we are at 20k level. You need to understand one thing, that this is a psychological important level, and we might see some choppiness at this level as well. So you need to be prepared. Okay. Again, we are choosing 4 counters on with the trend only. Okay, with the uptrend only, and one of the counter is LNT. Now, LNT, we can see there was resistance. Okay, the same level became support here, so breakout retest. This was the breakout area, very good and strong candle at the breakout. Multiple inside bar was seen here, but at the breakout retest, what we see, a separating line. What is separating line? See this close and this open. Okay, this body you can see here. Okay, there was next candle which open above the red candle body, that is called the separating line. You can understand in that way. So this shows that a quick reaction at this level, buyers are there at the retest area. Okay, next we can see here there is an attempt for breakout, okay, in this candle which failed. Today there was some selling pressure here, and again by the end of the market it went up. So keep this on radar. 2510 is the level which I would wait for. Okay, 2510 is taken out, definitely some upside move will be there. And for intraday, for quick move, one can plan for 2550 to 2580 level. Okay, and someone doing positional, then one can trail if those level are seen. If I see next counter, okay, that is Lupin. Now Lupin is showing ascending triangle. Let me go and show you hourly chart. Okay, here is the hourly chart. Here you can see a very textbook kind of ascending triangle with a uptrend. Okay, there is uptrend, there is ascending triangle. On breakout, there is good volume as well. So wait for 950 level. If this level is taken out, then 965 is the level where the ascending triangle target will meet. And if the counter is in very good momentum, then after 965, definitely 980 is the level which one should aim for here. Now, next counter is, let me go and do daily chart. Here is the Linde India. Okay, here there is a COP level. This was the resistance, this became support. Now this is the fresh set of resistance. There is an attempt for breakout in the next session. If we see a breakout, definitely some up move will be there. Wait for 4650 level. Okay, if 4650 level is taken out, one can try to play till on the breakout candle. One can try to play till 5k, and above that, if we see 5k is breached within few minutes, then definitely this rally should continue. Now, one of the next counter is quite interesting. That is IOB, Indian Overseas Bank. Here we can see an complex HNS. We call this as complex HNS. Why complex HNS? Here you can see one shoulder, okay, left shoulder. Here we can see two right shoulder. So this pattern is called complex inverted, okay, inverted HNS bottom. Okay, so this is the pattern name. Now, why I am saying this is an interesting counter, because let me show you PNB chart. Okay, I was looking at PNB, but that day I have chosen Bank of Baroda. If someone who is watching my video regularly, they will know when we have discussed Bank of Baroda. This is PNB chart, and you can see similar kind of structure was there on the PNB chart. You can see left shoulder, this was the head. Here you can see multiple attempt, and finally a breakout. Okay, now similar on the similar line IOB, you can see the charts are quite similar. So that's why this is looking quite interesting. And the level which you need to note is 2750. Okay, wait for 27.5, 2750 level. If that is taken out, we can't say that definitely a move like PNB can come, but there is certain possibility that this counter should head toward 30 level. Okay, and if that is also breached, then 33 should be the next level where it could go. Also guys, next month one of my batch will be active. So if you are interested in learning technical analysis, where we will learn technical analysis, we will learn that. We will also learn option buying. I specifically focus on option buying. Okay, working on the daily chart and getting signal, then you can look at the link which we have mentioned in the description. So guys, this is it for the video. I hope you are liking our content. If you're liking, please hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe. Till then, take care. I will meet you in our next video.